Hey guys, I am that Jimmy 397, and it is another glorious day here in Massachusetts. It's currently 64 degrees outside, and because of the nice weather, we've actually got some guests at the pond. Hey ducks. Not sure how well you can see them from here, but yeah, they're right there. They can stop rolling your stuff. And you leave the duck alone. It's a mallard duck, and you see the big orange legs on it. How awesome is this? Yeah, the female is just swimming in the pond still. The male is right there, is just chilling on the pond side. He's kind of grooming himself right now. But yeah, it's another beautiful day here. It's supposed to be gorgeous all week, actually. So hopefully I'll be able to get some more videos in, more outside videos in. I also figured out that I can pause shorts as I'm recording them. So we'll see. Come on, puppy. We'll see what videos I'll be uploading in the coming weeks, since spring and summer will be coming soon. Well, spring is already here. Summer will be coming soon. So we'll see what videos I'll be uploading in the coming weeks, coming months, coming days. Otherwise, yeah, I'm really looking forward to bringing a whole lot of new content to you guys. But you feel the sneeze coming on. God damn it. Well, it's gone now. The sensation, just the sensation after sneezing is amazing. Right now, I'm out in lot B. Yeah, I'm in lot B. And build a tree stump here. Mercy, this is a big stump. Have to start stumping again at some point. Stumping is when we just cut the tree as low to the ground as we can to prevent the mower from hitting it, because we mow out the Christmas trees during the summertime. And you can see why, actually. But here's a little interesting fact. You see this cute little tree right here? How long do you guys think it will take for one of these trees to grow into something like that one right there? Go ahead, guess right now. I'll wait a minute. It's just nice outside right now. Look at the sky right real quick. Isn't that amazing? That is my house right there. That is my grandparents' house. That's a pool. Yeah, this is 23 acres of land, by the way. This is a good freaking property. All that's missing is the carnival. It would be awesome to have a carnival here, actually. But all right, you guys got your guesses in for how long it will take that tree to grow to a size of like this one, maybe. All right. Well, if you get anything other than 10 plus years, yeah, you're wrong. It takes up to 10 years for a tree that size to grow to a tree this size. And we still got a lot of small trees to go. Like, all of these are still growing. Even the giant ones are still growing. Look at that. And look at this. And look at the dog. I think she's looking for a place to do her business, so I'm not going to put the camera her way. Yeah, she's doing her business right now. But yeah, it takes 10 years for a tree like that to grow. And all the trees you see here, we got, let's see, lots A through L, plus another balsam lot. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Because we got 2 C's. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We've got H lower and H upper. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. We've got 16 lots on this farm, full of Christmas trees. We've got white spruce Christmas trees. I believe that's what they are. And the trees you see way over there along the tree line out there, those are the balsams. Unfortunately, once all these Christmas trees have been sold off, that's it for Christmas tree selling for Rocky Acres Tree Farm. Because the place we got the Christmas trees from went out of business, and they're located, I want to say 3 to 4 hours away, but I'm not 100% sure on that because they're up in Maine, which is one of the reasons why we're not going to be getting any more Christmas trees for this farm. But as you can tell, there's mostly 6, 7, 5. There's mostly like 2 to 6 feeders in these lots here. But then you got the really tall trees. That's what you see in most lots. Just average sized trees. How is that? Huh. I don't know. But in this lot right here, mostly big ass trees. You get some people that come here for small trees, but you get some people that come here for medium sized trees, like alright, so our definition of small would be something like this actually. And this tree would be a $20 tree. Inflation. Blame inflation for making everything more expensive. This right here would be your medium-sized tree. Nice looking little tree, huh? Hey look, the tree's got a little guest here. Hi there, ladybug. Wait. Holy shit, you are one giant ladybug. Do you see how big that thing is? Good lord. I see a spider web in this. I see a spider web in the center of this. I think that was not a ladybug. I think it might have been a ladybird, actually. Judging by the size of it, but now I think ladybirds are not red. I've seen ladybirds on a video game, Grounded, before. Ladybirds are kind of a gray color. I think I'm not 100% sure on that, but they're definitely a little larger. Hi, puppy. And this is Puppy. Yes, this is Puppy. Hi, Puppy. Yes, this is Puppy. All right, and then you've got your average size trees, which here on Rocky Acres Tree Farm, all right, so let me show you real quick. Small. Kind of a medium. This one would be the average size tree that we have on Rocky Acres Tree Farm. As you can see, it is not the best example. There's a lot of good trees out there, but that would be small, that would be medium. Yeah, okay. Here's a good example, right here. This is your average Christmas tree here on Rocky Acres Tree Farm. Most of the Christmas trees you'll see on this side, which is actually not too bad considering, look at this. You can just tell from right here, there's a lot of Christmas trees that are this size. And if you're looking at it from this side, you're like, oh, that's a beautiful tree, don't you think? Yeah, it's so perfect on this angle, isn't it? It's so perfect all around, right? Wrong. Unfortunately, the branches are a little, fucked on this side, to say the least. But sometimes we'll get a lot of deer that like to come out and just rub their horns on our Christmas trees. Caitlin, stop rolling and stuff. You know better. No, she doesn't. But these are your average massive trees. Sometimes people will come here and have the entire tree cut down and only take the top part, because the top part of tall trees actually makes pretty good smaller trees for, your smaller, your possible smaller household. But sometimes people will come and take 10 plus footers. I remember one year when I cut a freaking 10 footer, I was down here, the chainsaw ran out of gas. Yeah. And I think this was like 8 years ago, maybe. I don't know. It feels like 8 years ago. But I had to cut through a stump about this thick, or this wide around, and probably, well, you can probably just imagine how big a 14-foot tree would be. Caitlin, leave the ducks alone. But I had to use a handsaw to cut through the damn thing the rest of the way. But yeah, that's just Rocky Acres Tree Front, people. Rocky Acres Tree Front. You gotta love it. You gotta love living on 23 acres of land. You gotta love all the hiking trails we have in the woods. You gotta love the snowmobile trails. You gotta love everything this property has to offer. But the one thing that it does not offer is a hot tub. No more, you will soon, once I start getting me some income and save up enough, this place will have a hot tub. You guys want a possible close-up of the dust? He's okay, dust. Look at how cool these guys are. Hey, then stop rolling your stuff. The one with more colors, the green, the blue head, that would be the male. The other one's the female. Male dust. Caitlin! Stop rolling your stuff. No. Caitlin? Come on. Sometimes you gotta be stern with the dog because she won't listen. She likes to roll in stuff that smells like shit. But most male dusts are more colorful, and the female dusts are less colorful, but still is awesome. All right, unfortunately, after this little tour, I hate to say it, but I'm all out of time for this video. I'm going to leave it at that. So thank you, everybody, so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know what you think in the comments below. What do you think of our property? 23 acres, plenty to offer, gorgeous sights, and from my bedroom you can see the mountain. Except my bedroom is on the side of the house. You can't even see my bedroom window from here. What was your favorite part of this video? Did you like the tour? Did you like the information? Did you like seeing the dust? Did you like seeing the dog? And if you did not like hearing me yell at the dog, then I'm sorry about that, but you gotta be stern with her. You gotta tell your dogs the do's and don'ts just by using a straight voice and being like, hey! When I did that, she just looked right at me. That's what I want. Yeah, you're a good girl, though. Overall, she's a good girl. And also, I am now up to almost 13. I think I have either surpassed 13,000 total views, or I'm almost at 13,000 total views for my channel. So thank you, everybody, for the support, for watching my videos, for liking my videos, for subscribing, for sharing. I'm up to 170 subscribers, which is a good start, but I've still got a lot more to do, a lot more content to bring before I can bring it to the big news. But once again, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. That Tiff Gamer, signing off.